Zoom meeting in 30 minutes. OMG. I got this. Oh, hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a quick get ready with me to be prepared for your Zoom meeting. Now, I've been super blessed to be able to work from home during this quarantine, and recently we've had so many Zoom meetings popping up with very little notice. I want to look professional and look presentable for my colleagues as well as my supervisors and managers. So this is just gonna be a quick get ready with me so you look camera ready for Zoom. And it doesn't even have to be for Zoom. It could be for Skyping with your family and your friends or just doing video conference calls. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, 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 and welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, Zoom meetings. What exactly is Zoom? Zoom is that app that you can stream on your phone or on your laptop to go to video conferences or video meetings. And recently, during the quarantine, we have been calling a lot of emergency meetings via Zoom. And typically those meetings are last minute. So I like to be at least camera ready and not look like I've been sitting in my pajamas all day doing nothing. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I changed out of my pajamas and I slicked my hair up into a ponytail. Now I'm ready to dive in for makeup. I've already primed and prepped my skin with Touch in Sol Snow Problem Primer. So as you can see, I have zero makeup on. Yeah, that's how I look like when I go to work. Because who's really gonna see me? Except for my dog. We are gonna start out with eyebrows, and I'm just gonna do a quick eyebrow with the LA Girl Slim Shady Eyebrow Pencil. I find that this really goes on quick and easy, and I'm not even gonna go for a big blown out look. I just wanna fill in the sparse hairs in my eyebrows. My first Zoom meeting that I had, OMG, I did not know that I did not have the mute button on. I was that person in the meeting that said, I really have to pee. My entire team, my manager and my supervisor heard me say that, and they still had the camera on me, but I got up and I left to go to the bathroom. And yes, when I came back and sat down at my desk, one of my friends IM'd me on Skype and said, mute, mute. But yeah, the whole team heard me, and my manager said, well, at least she didn't bring her camera to the bathroom. Brows are on. I know, it's so hard to do brows on camera, and I just had to speed up the process, otherwise we'd be here till tomorrow. Now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte MARACUJA Tinted Hydrator. Now this is a tinted hydrator slash moisturizer, but I find this gives beautiful coverage and still allows your skin to peek through. But what I love about this tinted hydrator is that you can just apply it quickly with your fingers. There's no need to get out the beauty blender or a sponge. And you know, if you're just doing a meeting with other employees, you don't want to look like you spent an hour on your makeup, because then they'll be thinking, you're not working. But this offers such a beautiful radiance that's natural. It has so many skin loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid, turmeric root, but see how beautifully it just blends into my skin. Like literally the last meeting that I had to go to, I had 30 minutes notice. I thought it was canceled. I was wishing it was canceled. Do you see how beautifully and quickly this applied? Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna go in with Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. I just did a review on my top 5 favorite concealers, and this one is full coverage, and I figured using a tinted hydrator, I like to use a full coverage concealer just to cover up those dark pesky circles under my eyes and also any redness that the tinted hydrator did not cover up. But this provides beautiful coverage, blends quickly, and is super hydrating. And then I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge, blend. Foundation, concealer on. I'm looking much better. I'm looking wide awake. What I love about the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, it definitely brightens up that under eye area. When you roll into that Zoom meeting, you're gonna look wide awake. I'm gonna go ahead and contour and add some color back into my face. And I'm just gonna be using the Tutti Frutti Too Faced Pineapple Strobe and just lightly go in. This has the perfect amount of warmth that contours and bronzes my face at the same time. And it's all about being quick. Okay, bronzer, contour, one step, that's it. Now for eyes, I'm just gonna do a super neutral look. And I'm gonna use the Editorial eyeshadow palette from Marc Jacobs. This palette has 9 shadows, but these colors are beautiful. It's kind of a cool tone, but I'm just gonna go for a natural look. I'm just gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush with the lightest shade here and sweep it all over the lid. Then I'm gonna take this taupey color called We'll See on a smaller Real Techniques brush, and I'm just gonna put it in my transitional shade through here. And blend. Now that I have the transitional color in place, I'm going to use Next Season and just tap it lightly onto my eyelid. It just brightens up my eyes without looking too overdone. Now I'm going to go in with Marc Jacobs brown eyeliner and softly line the edges. I got this in a Major Minis package from Marc Jacobs, and I have been loving that package. It contains everything from coconut primer to lipstick, lip gloss, mascara, but this is one of the items that came with it. And then I'm just gonna take a small pencil brush and smudge it. And this one is from BH Cosmetics. Now going back into We'll See, I'm just gonna take a tiny bit on my Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna go along the lower lash line and connect the eyeliner with the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly curl my eyelashes. And using my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, I'm just gonna put on a light coat. Okay, mascara is on. Now to go in with some liquid cream blush. You know I love the Milani Cheek Kiss blush in Pink Flirt. And all I do is take a tiny bit between my 2 fingers and just tap it onto my cheeks. And I find that it adds such a beautiful flush of color without adding texture. Oh, this is so pretty. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with Shiseido's self-synchronizing finishing powder. And for a wee bit of highlight, I'm going to use my Nabla Skin Glaze in Privilege. I find that this just offers a natural subtle glow. It also has a beautiful blurring effect on my skin. And now for lips, I'm just going to go in with ColourPop's Lippy in Shot Clock. And to top it off, I'm just gonna go in with Revolution Pout Bombs in Sauce. I think this is a beautiful color. I find it is the perfect shade of berry, and plus this is a plumping lip gloss, so I absolutely love it. And it pairs beautifully with Shot Clock. Just pop on some earrings, you're gonna look pulled together professional within 15 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed my little get ready with me for Zoom conferencing, and please mute your microphone if you do go to the bathroom. Don't be me. Don't do that. Leave a comment down below if you've been going to Zoom meetings and if you've had any embarrassing moments like me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of my family. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos up here. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.